What's up, my PowerUp friends? Welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the softest, the doughiest, the most delicious dinner rolls that you have ever tasted. And the best part is that they are low carb, perfectly keto. Guys, these are amazing. You can have them warm with your dinner. You can also have them as a slider. You can make a small hamburger with these or a small sandwich. Any way you decide to have these, you are going to love them. And the best part about it is that they only require 4 ingredients. Yes, just 4 ingredients. They come together super easily, and the process to make them is very simple. So the very first thing we're going to do is, in a large microwave safe bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Now we're going to put this bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. What we want to do is we want to melt our cheeses, our cream cheese and our mozzarella cheese, just enough to where we can mix them together until they both become very well integrated and smooth. All right, guys, I've given my cheeses about 40 seconds in the microwave. They look like this. So you can see that the mozzarella cheese is not completely melted, but it is soft enough, and the cream cheese is also soft enough to where I can mix them together until they become smooth. The texture of our cheeses looks like this. It's very smooth now. You can still see the texture of the mozzarella shredded cheese, but the mixture is very well meshed together. So the cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese have now become one in this bowl. So we want to let our cheese cool for a couple of minutes. You just want it to cool slightly because we don't want to add in our egg when the cheese is still warm, because it'll start cooking the egg. Just set it aside for 2 to 3 minutes and then continue with the recipe. My cheese has cooled slightly now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour. And I'm going to add 2 room temperature eggs. And now I'm going to mix this very well until a smooth dough forms. And before I mix these ingredients together, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This will ensure that my bread rolls rise nicely. After you've mixed with a spoon, you want to get your hands in here to knead the dough until it becomes very, very smooth. Okay, guys, now that my dough is very smooth, just like this, I'm going to form 10 dough balls out of this big ball of dough, and I'm going to put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And before I roll my 10 dough balls on my parchment paper, I'm just going to spray it very lightly with this 100% pure avocado oil spray. Now I'm going to whisk my remaining egg, and then I'm going to use this brush to brush the top of each of my rolls with the egg. My dough balls are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. You're looking for the top to be golden brown, and that's when you know your dinner rolls are ready to take out of the oven. All right, guys, I've just taken my rolls out of the oven, and they smell amazing. And not only do they smell amazing, look at how beautiful these are. I cannot wait to give these a taste test. And before I give this a taste test, I have to show you the texture of this roll. I cannot believe this is keto. I cannot believe this is low carb. It is amazing. First of all, look at how fluffy this bread roll is. Now I'm going to break it in half so you can see the texture. Guys, look at that. I'm going to give it a taste test. It is so good. I can see these rolls going really well with any dinner. I can also see them as sliders. So to make tiny little hamburgers, or you can make tiny little sandwiches with these. Guys, these are to die for. They're amazing. These keto rolls are the closest that I have ever tasted to a wheat bread dinner roll. They are soft, they are doughy, and they're toasted on the outside. So after putting them in the oven for 25 minutes, they're perfectly golden brown and toasted. So when you bite into it, you get the doughiness and the soft texture of the bread, and then you also get the crunch of the toasted part from the outside. These are super easy to make. Your entire family will love them. They won't even know that they're eating low carb. These are extremely healthy and extremely easy to put together. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more low-carb recipes that are keto-friendly, super delicious, extremely easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, and don't forget to share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. And power up to become a healthier you. Bye until next time.